Hi, I'm Stuart Gray of Ray White Real Estate. Welcome to 118 Overtoun Terrace, one of Hataitai's finest homes. Come inside and enjoy what could be your new family home. Current owners had this studio garage architecturally designed and built in 2016, ideal for independent relatives, as a rental, or a B&B as they've used it. Call or email me, Stuart Gray, with any questions or to arrange a private viewing. I look forward to meeting you.